Hi, welcome to Vanity Vents. Yes, there are so many reasons to install Vanity Vents insulation blocks besides greater insulation, increased home protection, savings on your utility bills, and curb appeal. What about when you use Vanity Vents vent covers and Vanity Vents insulation blocks together? The answer: you are doubling the layers of insulation, cutting your heat loss even more in the winter, and maintaining way better coolness under your home in the hot summer months. Also, you want to know that our insulation blocks do not rot or deteriorate. And sometimes there are hoses or pipes that run right through your crawlspace vent opening. Well, no problem. You can trim your blocks to size if necessary. Your insulation blocks will cut extremely quickly and smoothly using a simple serrated bread knife. Cut the block in one direction, only pulling towards you. Do not saw with the knife. Make multiple passes in the same direction if necessary to get through the entire thickness of the block. See how smooth. Vanity Vents insulation blocks are the luxury, airtight, 99.9% waterproof, military-grade, long-term fix to instantly improve your crawlspace. Thank you for your interest. We'd love to have you as a customer. Contact info@vanityvents.com. Click on the button now to get yours.